Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show you how you can add font in Photoshop. Here you can see I have got a couple of fonts already available, but let's say I need to add a new font in Photoshop. All I need to do for that is search for QFont fonts in any browser. It's a website that's gonna be help to download font. You may find more websites like this, but I always use them. You can find here different types of fonts and a couple of categories of fonts. You can download any font you like from here. Here I choose Digital Disorder font and I like to download it. For that, just click on download and then you can see the file is downloaded in your file as a zip file. Then just save it. After that, open the zip file and double click on the file. Then a pop-up box will appear. If you want to install this, click on install at the top. It's gonna install your font in Photoshop. Right now, it should be installed. If you go to Photoshop and check it in the font list, we can see it has already been added to the list. Now let's apply it to this sentence. For that, select this and apply it as usual process. Now I think I should resize the sentence. After resizing it, now you see the changes properly. Isn't it easy? So if you want to learn more things like this, subscribe our channel. Also like, comment, share and visit our website at www.clippingamazon.com.